All right, guys, so I'm officially a sellout. I've caved in and created an Amazon FBA course, but the big difference between my course and every single other course out there is that I'm charging less than $15 to access the course. That's right, 15, not 50, right, 15. And you may be thinking, all right, Sumner, so is this a scam? Is this just kind of a training or overview just covering basic information? Or is this like an upselling course to where it's like a beginner's guide and then you're going to upsell on a more expensive course? The answer is no. So I've taken multiple Amazon FBA courses ranging from $500 all the way up to literally over $3,000. I've watched literally hundreds of hours worth of YouTube videos and Facebook posts. I have even invested tens of thousands of dollars in my own Amazon FBA business into sourcing product, marketing and advertising costs, and all of that. And I take everything, every single piece of information that I've learned, and I've condensed it down into a course that's currently over 15 hours long. It may seem a little bit long, but I've really condensed and tried to summarize and make everything as step by step for complete beginners as possible. And I'm going to include a link below to where you can access the course for less than, again, $15 for a limited time only, because I don't know yet, I may be increasing the price, not to anything ridiculous, but I may be increasing the price in the future. So I want to make sure you take advantage of that soon. And now you're probably thinking, okay, Sumner, if this is a legit course and it covers everything step by step, all that, why are you doing that? Because you could obviously charge a lot more, even like, 500 or whatever. You've taken a $3,000 course. Why don't you charge $3,000? This is what mentors of mine or others have told me, and I've gone against the grain and said no for two big reasons. One, and actually probably the biggest reason, you can judge for this whether this is a good reason or not. I do not want to be lumped into the same category as other kind of FBA gurus, right? Young guys like me, right? They're young guys, usually white. They have a Lamborghini. They got rich quick on Amazon. Anybody can do it. You don't need to differentiate. You don't need to build a brand. It's missing a ton of information. And they're just trying to sell you on their information product. And they actually make significantly more money on their information product than Amazon FBA, or they don't even sell on Amazon at all. And that's not the case with me. I've actually withheld launching any kind of course until I felt I was ready, until I did all my research and have spoken with and interviewed top like 8-figure sellers right on Amazon to see what tools they use, what strategies they use. Am I thinking about this the right way? All of that, and I include all of this in the course, which again you can access for less than $15 in the description. But that's number one, and then number two is I ultimately want to give all my information away for free. And I realized that I've talked with family and friends and so many people that I've networked with and given them all this unbelievable, literally life-changing information. This has literally changed my wife and I's life. Like, we're making a full-time income on Amazon, and we're experimenting and trying other things like information products, and affiliate marketing, and even cryptocurrency in the future. So we're testing a lot of different things and figuring out what works and what doesn't. This has literally changed our lives. And I want to give it for free, but I realized when I gave it for free, people don't take it seriously. People don't actually implement it. And there are a ton of studies about this. And if you're familiar with Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels in the .com Secrets book, he even mentions this, where there's I think it was like a $25,000 conference. For his friends and family, or for half the group, he gave free access. For the other half of the group, they paid I want to say it was $25,000. Really expensive. Over the next 5 years, guess who was more successful? By far, exponentially, those that invested $25,000 into the conference or this course or whatever it was. And so by having a monetary amount, even as low as, even $15, even $20 would be a low amount for the information that you get. But by investing that, it's beneficial to me because I do make something on the course. It's not a lot, but it does make it worth my while. So that's a benefit to me. And ultimately, the more important thing, the benefit to you, is it actually makes a psychological, subconscious thing happens to where you put money in, and now you have to prove to yourself, and you're saying, all right, I've invested in this. Now I have to make it worth the money that I invested, even if it's a low amount, right? Because you've subconsciously invested that amount. Well, you literally have, but you invest that amount. Now your subconscious is working to make sure you get it back. So I promise you, if you got the information for free, you're significantly less likely to be successful. You're significantly less likely to take action than if you pay even a low amount. So that's why that's actually another big reason why I'm doing this, is because it's actually a benefit to you and me. It's great for both of us. So why wouldn't I do that? And I'll see what I do in the future. Like I said, I may increase the price in the future. I don't know. This is what I want to do now. And as you know, everything that I learn, I share with you, and we kind of figured this out together. So yeah, thanks so much for your support. Be sure to get the coupon code now. That you can get the promo code in the link in the description. So be sure to get that now. If you have questions, let me know. And last thing, if this isn't the best Amazon FBA course that you have ever taken, I will refund your entire amount right? So you can use that money and go out to lunch now, refining your entire amount within 30 days with no questions asked, right? That's how confident I am in this course. You literally have nothing to lose and so much to gain. And I hope this helps you truly. I'm dead serious. I hope this information helps you change your life. And I hope that I'm able to help you do that because later you'll come back and write awesome reviews. So yeah, I hope this helps you immensely. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And I hope to see you inside the course.